KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a real quick little side dish. It is my zucchini and bacon gratin. Really quick, really simple, only a handful of ingredients. Look, let's just get on with it. I'll show you what to do. I've got a couple of little oven-proof terracotta bowls or little pots here. You can use whatever you like, as long as it's oven-proof. It'll be fine. Alright, so I'm going to put some bacon in the bottom there. I've just given that a rough chop. Right, so no real need to go anything fancy with that. So just do that. And here I've got some slices of zucchini. Alright, so we're just going to lay some of this down. It's left over from another recipe I did 2 nights before. So we're just going to lay that down as well. Right, a little handful of cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. Right, if you like something like a Gruyere or an Emmental, go use that. I'm just using this blend that I always buy and I always use. It melts great and it's nice and creamy. So put a little bit of that down, and we're going to put some bacon on top again, on top of that cheese. Right, so easy to do. Now the oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, so these do get baked and they make the perfect little side dish for the meal. Right, another layer of zucchini, just like that, and of course the bigger the dish that you have, the more zucchini, more bacon you can fit on. These are just little ones for a single person. Right? So lay down your zucchini just like that. Really nice and easy. Okay, and this doesn't take very long to cook at all. Another layer of bacon straight on top. Right, we've skipped the cheese for this next bit, so we're just going to put the bacon on just like that. Okay, and if you haven't had a gratin type side dish before, why not? It is so easy to do and it tastes amazing. Another layer of zucchini, right to the brim. Right, we're going to fill these right up. Now you need to take into consideration, as this cooks, it is going to collapse, so you can overload the tops of these quite easily. Alright, so a little bit more zucchini over the top, just like that. Okay, really load them up because it is really going to collapse a fair way. Okay, so we're almost getting ready to finish this little dish off. I'm going to sprinkle more cheese over the top, just like that. Really pile it on, and the reason why I'm using these little terracotta dishes, they handle the heat and they will clean up really well afterwards. Okay, so really load that cheese up, and don't worry if it does spill over. As long as your little pot is glazed, you won't have any issues cleaning these up. Right, so load that cheese right up just like that. How easy is this to do? And it tastes amazing. The bacon just makes everything taste incredible for this dish. Alright, so load up your cheese just like I've done right there. I'm probably waffling on a little bit too long, but anyway, it is worth it. That is going into the oven around about 15 minutes, or until they look something like that. As you can see, everything has collapsed and we've got a beautiful zucchini and bacon gratin as a nice little side dish. Love you, see you try and make this one at home. It is really simple to do. As I said, 3 ingredients. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. But if you want to learn how to make quick little side dishes just like this one and many more, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this zucchini and bacon gratin with another dish, and I will catch you next time. Bye.